Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about the Holochain latest and urgent update friends. What's the current price of Holochain? What's the price changes occurs in this time in a Holochain? In this video I will show you friends, so keep watch this video till the end friends. And if you are new to my channel, so please make sure to subscribe AB Tech channel for more this kind of news and update friends. Please don't forget to subscribe is very important for all of you. That is why I'm asking you to click the subscribe button friends. Now friends, let's start the video friends. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the Holochain. 0.015335 USD dollar is the currently at this time price of the Holochain friends. Same like that, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Holochain coin, so I know that they are going wrong friends. The last 1 hour and the last 1 day and the last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the Holochain gone wrong friends, gone negative friends. If we talk about the market rank of the Holochain, so 59 is the market rank of the Holochain in the cryptocurrencies market. Let's see the price chart of the Holochain for more details friends. As you can see here, that is the last 1 day price chart. If we look the price changes occur in the Holochain and the last 1 day, so the last 1 day price changes is about negative 0.62%, and the highest price of the Holochain is about 0.016498 USD dollar is the highest price of Holochain friends. Same like that, if we talk about the price changes occur on the chart friends, so as you can see here, after this point the falling period of the Holochain coin are again start now. As you can see here, before this point the jump occurred in the Holochain coin, but after this time they again fast down occur. That is why the price changes as negative friends. But I hope that after this time, after a fast there is a jump. That is the common phenomena of cryptocurrencies market. So there is a lot of chances to they take a jump from this point friends. What's your opinion about Holochain? Please also share in the comment box friends. I hope that there is a 70% chances to they take a jump friends. What's your opinion about Holochain? Please share in the comment box friends. And friends, I'm again asking you, if you don't subscribe, so please click the subscribe button, because subscribe is very important for all of you. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel, and thank you so much for watching this video friends.